I have some more finds. Some of them from J-Case, just like a couple of extras that I found, and a couple of odd ones. If you've seen my shorts, you would have seen this one. This is Big Time Muscle. I've already got a Mustang, grey Mustang out of this. This is red, not that pale, horrible colour. This is the RT Dodge Charger. And again, these castings are slept on. People don't like them for some reason. I think they are brilliant. Like, they just do such a good job with these. Jada Toys, just, yeah, very cool. Just Trucks, Ford F350 Super Duty. I wasn't going to get this, but I actually don't mind it. It's got some good details. Could probably do with some more details. I think I might open all these ones up that I've got and sort of detail them up now that I'm sort of trying that sort of thing. I really, I can't see the use of doing this to a ute because I think you've got a small wiener. Excuse me, but that's just my opinion. You wouldn't be allowed to do this in Australia. It's just like totally illegal. And why they lift them up like this or even higher, I got no idea, because it just makes it a useless bit of a vehicle. Yeah, imagine trying to lump some cement into the back of that. Bags of cement. Anyway, still looks all right. But yeah, not my thing, but yeah, I got it anyway. Majorette Toyota Hilux. I've got a couple of these. I think this is a pretty good one, if we can get it to focus. There we go. Revo Racing. I mean, in Thailand, they race these sorts of things all the time, especially the diesel ones. It's just a huge thing over there to race utes. We sort of do it here, but they throw V8s into them, and yeah, it's not the same. And look at that, it won't focus. But these majorettes are brilliant. They've got some great details. I love them. That's a good pickup. I like that one. I hadn't seen that one before. I like it. I'd already picked this one up, but I found a second one. It's a totally different store. I just think this is a bloody great casting, and I wanted another one, so I got another one. I only had one of these Honda Civic Customs, so I grabbed another. Cool, very cool. I only had one of the Porsche, so I grabbed another one of them. It's got details, good details. I wish the colour would show up better. I might try and adjust some of these to make the colour actually look like it actually is. Other Dodge D100. I'm not quite sure what case this is out of. I like it, and it's like I've got one to keep on the card and one that I might detail when I get around to it. This is a new one for me. It's a recolour of the Tri-5 Terra 55 Bel Air Gasser. I didn't find this one before. It's part of the K case, I believe. I think it is. I still haven't found any Supras, and no treasure hunts from the J or the K case, but I'm glad I found this. I reckon that's cool. I like the gases. And in the K case, this would have been the treasure hunt, but it's not, unfortunately. It's what they call a dud. We can't see anything there. But the thing they do say about this is it's very hard to spot the difference between this and the treasure hunt. Have a look at the paint on that. That paint is bloody sparkly. I think the treasure hunt has different wheels and there's a little darker in paint, but it's not that easy to pick the difference. So just watch out for that one. If you see it, double check. And lastly, I grabbed some metal machines. I'm not going to be collecting them, but there you go, Jim. There's one for you. You've probably seen it. Pretty crappy. They're all pretty crappy. I like the wheels on that. This one. Yeah, I like the wheels on that, but also like these, couple of these, this one and that one, would make, like Charles Diecast Garage, would make excellent Gaslands, which is something that I want to do, and it's the reason I got this one, because there's bits on there that you can pull off and stick on Gaslands. So, yeah, I could only find one of those. If I could find more, I would. If anyone can help me out, I want some more sort of stuff like this to do a Gaslands car, like, fantasy Gaslands, guns, antennas, that sort of stuff. If anyone knows of anything in the cheap shops or like reject shop or anything like that, where you can buy small guns and that sort of stuff, let me know. Because I've been looking and I can't find anything. But anyway, that's my little bit of a haul. Not a great deal, but yeah, got a couple of new cars, which is really good. Still want to find that bloody Supra. And every time I see someone find one, I just swear at them. So, yeah, anyway, this is all pretty cool. I like it. Thanks for watching. Hooroo.